do, we're actually going to nip into the co-op, have a little go. I'll tell you what we might do at the time. We might go and have a little, we'll nip into the co-op, we'll then go off and do a reverse bayonet. And we can come out of the co-op and then use one of the roads over here to do a parallel path. Alright?
Yeah.
That's my little plan. Okay, buddy. I'd do the same thing as on a bike. I'd filter if I can. So it's the whole point of having a bike.
Some people get a bit
Piss you over it.
yeah. See them pulling out and stuff like that.
Stopping at the distance we've stopped as well, I suppose, gives it gives people a get out if they are filtering. Yeah. So that's another reason I've never even thought of why it's important to leave the space that we leave.
Yeah, so.
It's a good little thing for them, isn't it? It allows the bikers to have a little bit of a safety get in if needed.